Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. If you're looking for a reliable, safe way of cleaning your wood floors, we recommend Swiffer for wood floors. This was a product that had the approval of the National Wood Flooring Association, of which Island Carpet is a member. They've come up with a product that does no harm. Other cleaners can conceivably leave contaminants on the surface of the floor that would interfere with the refinishing process. Other methods of cleaning which use too much moisture will compromise the floor because water and wood don't mix. And lastly, you want to be sure that whatever you use on the floor is not going to interfere with the finish. Well, Swiffer passes the test on those three issues. Swiffer for wood floors is the one that we recommend when people call us up and say, what should I use to clean my new wood floor? Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.